Children, today I am going to teach you the English Prose Lesson 1, The Tiger in the House. Let us know about the author Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond was an Indian author of British descent. He was born on 19th May 1934. He was awarded Sahitya Academy Award in 1992. He also got the Padma Shri Award in 1919 for his contribution to children's literature. He now lives with his adopted family in Lanyo, near Missouri. Let us start with the lesson. A Tiger in the House is a story by the famous author Ruskin Bond. Also, the narrator of the story is Ruskin Bond himself. The story is about a tiger cub, Timothy. One day, when the author's grandfather was walking down the forest path along with his party, he found a tiger cub. He decided to bring that cub home. It was named Timothy by his grandmother and was brought up on bottled milk. As Timothy grew, he was fed raw mutton, cod liver oil, pigeons, and rabbits also. When Timothy was a cub, he was friends with Toto the monkey and a puppy. Timothy was initially afraid of Puppy, but later on he became friends with the puppy and allowed him to rest on his back. The author became Timothy's favorite when he came to live with his grandparents. He would be all around the author and would pretend to bite his ankles. Timothy would sleep in the cook's quarters. When he became 6 months old, he became less friendly. He ate small animals, sometimes pulled his chain hard and also snarled at everybody. However, he had clean habits and scrubbed his face with his paws like a cat. And as he grew, he became dangerous, and thus the grandfather decided to take him to the zoo at Lucknow. He took Timothy in a first class compartment. After 6 months, grandfather visited again Timothy in the zoo. He patted the tiger's forehead, prickled his ears, and wet his mouth. The tiger started to lick his hands and sprang away when a leopard in the neighboring cage snarled at him. Seeing this, the grandfather decided to meet the superintendent and request him to transfer Timothy to another cage. But he was unlucky and he could not meet the superintendent. He went to the tiger's cage disappointed to bid him goodbye. Once again, he patted the tiger. A keeper recognized the grandfather and told him that Timothy died of pneumonia. He also told him that this tiger was trapped only last month and is a very dangerous one. The grandfather's arm was still in the cage and the tiger was licking it. He somehow withdrew his arm from the cage. He gave a disrespectful look to the keeper and bid the tiger good night, Timothy. Now let me come to the conclusion of A Tiger in the House. The story teaches us that the basic nature or traits of a person do not change irrespective of the environment in which he lives. Thank you, children.